Tatum 4 is rumored to advance Jayson Tatum's signature line with bold updates while keeping its performance-focused DNA. Its upper highlights smooth overlays and striking paneling, with wavy forefoot lines nodding to earlier models. Red Jumpman accents pop against a black and white base, paired with Tatum's JT logo on the tongue and a zero stitched on the heel. Underfoot, a herringbone outsole promises strong multidirectional grip, supported by a carbon fiber-style midfoot plate for balance. While Jordan Brand has yet to confirm tech details, expectations point to enhanced cushioning and a lightweight build. Speculation about the pair's authenticity adds buzz, especially as its holiday 2025 launch nears following Tatum's in-game debut. Positioned for style and performance, the sneaker is set to capture attention on the hardwood and in lifestyle wear as Tatum's star power continues to climb.